Ever heard of the Bermuda Triangle? Of course you have. That mysterious patch of the Atlantic where ships and planes vanish without a trace. For decades, we've been fed stories of alien abductions, time warps, and portals to other dimensions. Fun stuff for a late-night movie, but what if the real story is even more fascinating? What if science has started to crack the code? Today, we're diving deep past the myths to uncover the groundbreaking scientific theories that could finally explain one of the world's greatest mysteries. Forget what you think you know. We're going on a journey into the real Bermuda Triangle. Let's start with a theory bubbling up from the ocean floor. Imagine massive pockets of methane hydrate, essentially frozen natural gas, trapped under immense pressure beneath the seabed. Geologists believe this area of the Atlantic is rich with these deposits. Now, what happens if there's a sudden shift in temperature or pressure, maybe due to an undersea landslide? Boom, a catastrophic eruption of methane gas. The gas erupts towards the surface, drastically lowering the density of the water above it. A ship sailing over this spot would instantly lose buoyancy and sink like a stone, pulled down so fast it wouldn't even have time to send a distress signal. It would be gone in seconds, leaving no trace, no wreckage, just bubbles. This isn't science fiction. It's a known geological phenomenon called a gas blowout, and it could explain the sudden, complete disappearance of vessels. But what about the planes? Methane gas wouldn't just stay in the water. This highly flammable gas would surge into the atmosphere, creating a massive, invisible cloud. If a plane were to fly through this methane-rich air, a few things could happen. The engines, starved of oxygen, could stall and fail. Or, a single spark from the electronics could ignite the entire gas cloud, causing a catastrophic explosion. The plane would be obliterated mid-air, its debris scattered over a wide area, making it incredibly difficult to find. This single, powerful geological event could potentially account for both ships and planes vanishing without a trace. It's a terrifying but scientifically plausible scenario. Now, let's talk about the ocean itself. The Bermuda Triangle is located in a part of the world known for some of the most extreme and unpredictable weather on the planet. It's the birthplace of violent hurricanes. But there's another, more sinister threat lurking in these waters: rogue waves. For a long time, these were considered maritime myths, sailors' tall tales of monster waves that appeared out of nowhere in calm seas. But satellite technology has proven they are very, very real. These aren't just big waves. They are vertical walls of water, sometimes reaching heights of over 100 feet. That's taller than a 10-story building. Even the largest modern supertankers or cruise ships would be no match for the sheer force of a rogue wave. It could snap a vessel in half or capsize it in an instant, dragging it beneath the waves before anyone could react. No debris, no survivors. Just the calm sea returning as if nothing ever happened. And there's one more layer to this scientific puzzle: magnetism. We all know a compass points north, right? Well, in the Bermuda Triangle, things get a little weird. This is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align. Usually, there's a slight difference that navigators have to account for. But here, the lines converge, which can cause confusion. More importantly, scientists have discovered intense and erratic magnetic anomalies on the ocean floor in this region. These magnetic hotspots could create wild fluctuations in compass readings, not just on the surface, but high in the air as well. For a pilot in the pre-GPS era, or even today if electronic systems fail, a faulty compass could be a death sentence. It could lead them hundreds of miles off course into dangerous weather, or to simply run out of fuel over the vast empty ocean. Combine these geomagnetic anomalies with sudden, violent storms, and you have a recipe for disaster. So, when we strip away the supernatural folklore, we're left with a powerful convergence of real natural forces. We have explosive gas blowouts from the seabed, monstrous rogue waves appearing from the deep, and unpredictable magnetic fields that can send navigators astray. Any one of these phenomena is dangerous, but in the Bermuda Triangle, they can all happen. It's not a cursed or paranormal place. It's a region of extreme geological and meteorological volatility. The true mystery isn't about aliens or time portals. It's about the raw, untamable power of our own planet. The science gives us a far more compelling and chilling explanation than any myth ever could. Thanks for watching. If you found this dive into the science of the Bermuda Triangle as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's greatest mysteries. See you next time.